him for a while. He delivered me a message, a massage to soothe my stage. What it was more than plug, a dosage more than Daisy Age. Conversation grew a rule, which the crowd will roar by millions. Mr. Crocodile said, Dove, you must look, for now the villains try to hold you underwater. But one thing we all must heed, Sony Walkmans keep us walking. De La Soul can help you breathe when you tread water. Can help you breathe when you tread water. I walked along my journey, I thought, what have I just learned? In a flash, I saw commotion. There was movement in these ferns. Silently, the silence came. Was it the end of my world? I shouted out in fear, who's there? It's me, said Mr. Squirrel. I've searched for you all over. Now you're found, no time to waste. We must find the preacher man. We must find the PA mace. For my population's dying, and we're all in tune to doom. Like your daisy, I need water, I need chestnuts to consume. Mr. Squirrel, I said I'm sorry, but the problem can't be solved if there's no one here to help and no one to get involved. Always look to the positive and never drop your head. For the water will engulf us if you do not dare to tread. So let's tread water. Tread water.
Now one weary day I woke, my alarm said plug time's up. Filled my bath up with the water, gargled with my gargle cup. As I bathed, I felt a presence, and I'm sort of ticklish. I looked down and then around, and I heard, hi, I'm Mr. Fish. How do you do? As for me, I'm in tip-top shape today, 'cause my water's clean and no one's menu says fresh fish fillet. See, I look past all my worries, which is something you must do. Though you're fed up, throw your head up with this advice from me to you, and that's to tread water. As the day went unexplained, time was finding nothing fun. As I walked along the sidewalk, I heard, excuse me, plug one. From my soul, they lied, that is. I hollered, yes, are you talking to me? No alarming, he said, let me introduce myself. I'm Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey, I pledge you slap of 5. Now how does your problem meet? He said my bananas are at their ripest, but they all stand at 3 feet. My swinging hand is bandaged up. Could you help me with this chore? I brought him down to the native shop and brought him copies of the De La Store, which assisted well in his elevation. Now all bananas was at his grasp. He decided with this accomplished, he would put me onto the path. He told me to live by the inner sound, y'all, which would bring me health and showbiz. Then to use them, not abuse them, and remember the word that got me to him, and that is the tread water. Tread water.